Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, and today I want to talk about working hard and why it may be a bad thing, surprisingly. Why my thinking about working hard has changed in recent years especially. So I've been raised by a mother who actually emphasized working hard, and we were all family of hard workers. We didn't earn much, but our physical labor of all family kinda was installed into all of us. And then when I grew up and became a developer, my work was actually not physical, but I earned money with my brain, but I still kept the mentality of working hard. So whenever I had an issue of a project on a deadline, I could work at night, I could work more, I could maybe deliver more projects to earn more money, and I was working harder than everyone. And even until this day, I work hard. Someone could even call me workaholic or even addicted to work, because even on Sunday morning I go for coffee and then shoot videos or something like that, because partly I enjoy what I'm doing now, and many people would envy me for what I do for a living now. But even if I can afford to work less, I often choose not to. So this is kind of in my blood. But recently I realized more and more that human power and human energy is limited. Of course, I'm getting older. I'm 38 now, which is not a lot. It depends how you count. But more and more times I feel that others deliver more than I can deliver just because they are younger, more energetic, more motivated maybe. So I guess it goes full circle. Younger, more energetic people just are in a position of working harder. Currently, with 2 children, I don't imagine myself pulling an all-nighter for coding or writing tutorials. I just physically wouldn't be capable of that. And this is what leads me to the main point of this video. In general, you should strive to not work harder, but work smarter. And I know it's a cliche phrase, work smart and not hard, but let's try to imagine that for a developer. I have a few examples of that. So instead of implementing a feature a certain way, think about a few things. Maybe there's a documentation section or section of help or tutorial that you haven't read, which would show you how to do things easier. Maybe there's some eloquent function or collection function that you don't know. Just spend a few more minutes Googling around how other people have done in the same situation, and maybe you will find much faster way. A classical example would be, instead of writing many loops and if statements, maybe there's a collection method that would do that in one line. Similar to tools, maybe there's some Laravel package or some tool or some service that would help you to accomplish things faster. They may be paid, but if you count your hourly rate, it may be beneficial. And also, just in general, if you are stuck on some problem with coding, spend a few minutes just walking around and trying to think differently. What are the alternatives of tackling the current problem or current feature or current project? Just ask yourself, is there another way? Is there an alternative? Is there a better way? And quite often your brain would start to think differently, especially if you're not at the computer at the moment. If you're just walking around the forest in nature is the best probably way. And in this way, you would get into habit of spending a bit extra time on thinking how to deliver smarter, not necessarily outworking others. So yeah, these are my thoughts for today. What do you think? Do you have any examples of outsmarting people instead of outworking them? Share in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.